River, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to go on an airplane?
Yeah. Okay.
My wife, let's call her by her trail name, Hungry Unicorn. She helped me understand what this story is about. It's about how a bike trip shifted my perspective on my big picture goals for myself. It's a story about how I reconcile with my vision for my future with the experience. We're officially starting our tour.
We are.
We're on the bike route, River. Mod Tour Trail. It is also about a search for a dream of America. I was wrong when I thought it was about cleaning up litter we found along the way. McDonald's was the first town we stopped to buy food at along the way, and we did not buy enough food. River, do you want to go home?
Yeah.
You are home.
Where's our home?
Home.
The tent.